Well, all the stainless steel is a 304.
Yeah.
And for the plastic parts, it's all food standard.
Yes.
It's all based on HCCP requirement.
Yeah.
So
Here,
this is the emergency button, right?
Yeah.
When the operator they are with some emergency situation, they just punch it. Then the machine will be stop working.
Yes.
This is also for the safety consideration.
Yeah.
Yes. For this machine, I think that after that, it can connect with the stripper.
Yeah. Because the horizontal machine, this machine is cutting the thickness of the meat. When it connects with the strip cutter, we can get the same size the strip with the same thickness and same width.
You mean the stripper is
Yeah.
for cutting the strip with the same width for each strip.
Yes.
Then the two machines work together can realize the correct size for the chicken strip, the thickness and the width.
Yeah.
Okay.
It can also connect with the meat flattener and meat tenderizer, especially for make the chicken sticks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think after flattening and the stick will be enlarged.
Yeah.
And for next procedure, that be maybe coating the battery, coating the flour.
Yeah.
So that be more added value product.
Yes, after this process, the chicken sticks will be, easily to be cooked to get shorten the cooking time and with the match sausage, so the taste will be much better.
Oh, you mean
Yeah.
tenderizer?
Yes.
Yes. It's good for shortening the frying time and the cooking time.
Yes.
For this model, I remember it can also work with our intelligent 2D dicer.
Yes.
So can you explain to customer for the function for that machine?
For the 3D dicer, it's giving the cutting for the length and the width. It can realize the two-dimension cutting. This cutter can cut the thickness. So usually the tool machine can realize the three-dimension cutting.
Oh, three-dimension cutting.
Yes.
Oh, yes. I remember that for that intelligent 2D dicer, it's a touchscreen controller.
Yes.
And it's already programmed with multi-recipe. And when customer have the size requirement, they just input the width, the length, and then they'll be give the correct size of that for that.
Yes. The operation is very simple. You just put the size you wanted in it. Then the machine will be automatically adjust the speed of the spiral blade and the speed of the belt. They will be cooperation together to realize the cutting size, the ideal cutting size.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think one scanner at the beginning of the belt.
Yeah.
Then it will give the signal to the computer.
Yeah.
And after that, that will control the first blade for cutting the length.
Yeah.
And then for another blade, the circular blade, will control the width.
Yes.
Then the customer will get the precise the covers.
Yes. Kevin, do you remember after the intelligent keyboard cutter is connected with the vibration screen?
Yes, I remember. One customer apply this for their labor saving.
Yeah.
You know, the vibration screen, they can give the correct size of the chicken cubes. There are some waste in the final product. So with the help of the this the vibration screen, and the correct size will be conveying at the top, and the bottom size that be the waist size that be conveying out. That will save a lot of labors.
Yes, and also the waste cubes can made of the other product. Less meat to make the chicken nuggets.
Oh yes. I think that what do you mean for Havel forming machine?
Yeah.
This can make the apply this waste meat.
Yeah.
We call it trimmed meat.
Yes.
And apply for the forming the chicken nugget and for the burgers and for the chicken stick.
Yes. So this line can make the max usage of all the meat to bring the biggest profit to client.
Yes, that's the make full use of the meat.
Yes.
No waste left.
Yeah. So except this, I think this machine can also connect with the other machine like the template slicer.
Yes. For the template slicer, you know the function. The function is for the weight cutting.
Yeah.
It's for the weight cutting. It's with the mold slicing, and the customer gives the size, and weight. Then after slicing, their bottom size will be correct weight.
Okay, if the client given the ideal shape of the various shape can design?
Yes, of course. Frankly, this shape is customized from the customer chicken breast.
Oh yeah. Okay, I think the finally we will get a very beautiful chicken fillet. Yeah.
Yes. I think we also have another portion cutter. It's an intelligent portion cutter.
Yeah.
It also can cut meat by weight, but that one is for the vertical cutting. And it's also touch screen controller. It can you can input your recipe. It can cut the chicken breast or fish. Cut that for by the weight, by the equal weight and equal size.
Yeah. Okay.
So after that, the customer will be give the correct weight for their final product. There'll be more application for new product releasing.
Yeah. I think this is a good idea for some client who want to produce the high grade meat product.
Yes. And another thing, this slicer is for I think it's for small meat, small thick meat. But for some red meat, like the beef, like the pork, so how to slice that?
For the big parts, we also have another bigger slicer.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can you explain to the customer?
Yeah. For the width, the max cutting width can up to 350 millimeter.
You mean for the wedges?
Yes, for the width.
Okay.
For the thickness, it can up to 100 millimeter.
Okay, 100 mm.
Yeah. So it's for the massive meat. It's very suitable.
So what's the minimum layer for that slicer?
The minimum thickness, it can slice about 5 millimeter.
Oh, 5 mm.
Yes.
Yeah, I think that's enough.
Yeah, so it can get enough thin pieces to make various food.
Yes. So now we have the slicer for cutting the thin meat slicer, and for bigger meat, we also have the slicing machine to processing them. So also another thing, can you recommend some slicer for customer cutting the fish?
Yeah, we have angle cutting slicer. It's very good for cutting the fish, especially for the salmon fish.
Salmon fish?
Yes.
Is that can do the angle cutting?
Yeah.
Okay. So can you explain some function for this machine?
Yeah, okay. Now, this machine can also adjust the cutting thickness and the cutting angle by
Okay.
the touch screen.
So what thickness is can cut?
I think 3 millimeter.
Oh, 3 mm.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
And the cutting angle can be adjusted from 20 degree to 90 degree.
Okay, it's for angle cutting.
Yes.
I think this is also for the meat with fresh.
Yes, also fresh meat.
Okay, good.
It can also, compared with the vertical cutting, it can also enlarge the area.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So now we recommend the slicer for the chicken breast slicer, for the big meat slicer, and for the fish slicer,
Yes.
and also for the wheat slicer
Yeah.
and wheat pork cutter. Then so the customer have the slicing requirement for the meat, so they can just contact us. We must give the certified solution for their processing.
Yes, the client can tell us the size of their meat. For example, the length, the width, and the thickness. Then tell us their ideal cutting thickness, length, width. Then we can design it.
Okay, no problem. And we can also do the now we can do the video together and to sit with them engineer,
Yeah.
and we talk together for new development.
Yes.
Yeah. And Julia, do you know how many sites this model we sales in 1 year?
I think it must be more than 16 size.
60 size.
Yes, 1 year, I think.
Okay. For this model, we do the quantity around the sales quantity around 100 size.
Wow.
Yes. 1 year, our customer they buy 30 size one time for this model for slicing chicken breast because they supply the chicken steak to the KFC and McDonald's.
Okay.
Customer choose us just firstly it's because Havel can supply outstanding quality machine and also satisfied service.
Yeah. May I know what kind of service can we offer now? During the 1 years, it's very hard for a client to buy the machine to make the decision, and they also feel about the sales after service. If they met some problem, how can they solve this?
That's now we find a solution for that. Firstly, now each model we have the new one in stock, and we can do the installation video and video together with their engineer, and then we will teach them step by step for each part replacing and the operation and cleaning, and they will be clear for how to operation. And at the same time, we already have the video, and we can send for some simple machine we can send the video first, and when do the before the machine delivery, we have the detailed information for in the operation menu. It's already filled in the package. They can also read the operation menu first. I think that's also a good help.
Yeah. Except this, I think to make sure the quality of the machinery, Havel have made the very strictly production system.
Yes, you mean the quality control system.
Yeah.
Yes, for Havel we have the a fully quality control system. And firstly, from raw material come to Havel factory, and we will do the inspection one by one. And then during for the parts, each parts is compared with one drawing, and our inspection engineer will check the parts based on the drawing one by one. And during the assembling, there'll be also with the engineer come with our factory worker and find the problem during the assembling procedure. Once they have the problem, they will amend it at the beginning. Then, before shipment, and the machine how to be with the inspected first, and operation at the special place. Our engineer will give you quality test. Each machine, when shipped out, they'll be gives the polywood packing. And when customer gets the machine, there will be same quality, same machine at the factory. So the machine can be with good quality at the customer factory.
Yes, besides this, Havel is buying the hand metal control system very earlier, and we have also buying the fiber laser cutting machine. It's from Germany, Trout. It's the best fiber cutting laser in the world. So we can make all our parts with accuracy. So it can make sure all the machine, from the frame to each part, with very good quality.
Yes. And at the same time, for the spare parts, we have the one warehouse, and each part has a new one in stock. And at that one, when customer needs the spare parts, we can do the delivery at the first time.
Yeah, I think it will be very fast.
Yes, that's why customer choose the Havel.
行了，
Okay. So thanks for your time, and I think Julia gives good talking and good information, detailed introduction for the whole thing.
Yeah, if you have any inquiries, welcome to visit our website and leave a message to us.
You can also visit the Facebook and Twitter for Havel site, and you can also message your inquiry at this Cutting-Fire website.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Thanks for your time. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye bye.
Bye.